Hey guys, it's Soren's Adventures here, and today I'm here with that bird right there. That pink bird, if you can see. And I'm also here with this bird right here, which is named Ash. And if one more bird. There's one more bird that I can't find right now. Where is he? Oh, man. Hey! No. My cat almost just killed one of my birds that just pooped on the bed. I can't find that one last bird. Hey! Shh! Come here. Come here. Oh my God. This is so hard getting these birds because they're so... Come here. This is a bird that is not named yet. That's my mom. That's my mom. That's my brother yelling. And that's more of my mom and brother yelling. Huh, where is that one little bird? Where is he? I can't find this one bird. His name is Oak. Oh, where is he? Seriously, Oak? You really have to disappear? I can't find him at all. What was that? I don't know where Oak went. He is somewhere around here. If you see him, he's blue and he's somewhere around here. Do you guys see him anywhere? Quiet. I'm trying to find another bird. Anybody else? There he is. Hey, no! Hey, Oak.